Hello everyone! In today's episode, we'll go over the best possible oils for your skin and the ones you should definitely have in your cabinet. Natural plant-based oils are a crucial part of every thorough skincare routine. Packed in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, they beautify all skin types and can help nourish your skin from within. In this video, we will go through every skin type and the proper oil to use for each type, followed by some product recommendations to help you introduce oils into your routine. So if you want to know which oils are most suitable for your skin type, keep watching. Welcome to Beauty Talks with Rachel, the show that will guide you into perfecting your skincare routine. My goal is to help you understand the what, how, and why of all things beauty and hopefully help you make the best choices for your skin. Today's topic is all about natural plant-based facial oils. Whether your skin is oily, combination, dry, sensitive, or mature, there is an ideal oil for every skin. Oils penetrate the skin and provide multiple benefits. Rich in vitamins, antioxidants, omega-3, 6, or 9, they play a valuable role in cell renewal and help defend the skin to ensure a supple, protected complexion. Obviously, as is the case with all skincare products, it is essential to choose natural plant-based oils that are adapted to your skin type. For each problem or skin type, there is an appropriate oil to help restore proper skin balance. In order to choose the right facial oil, you have to know and understand your skin type. Here's a few quick tips that can help you get a general idea about your skin type. If your face is constantly shiny, you probably have oily skin. If your skin is thin, sensitive, and tight after washing, you probably have dry skin. If your skin is even, soft, smooth, and has few imperfections, you most likely have what we call normal skin. If it is dry on the cheeks and temples but rather oily in the middle, like on the nose, the forehead, and the chin, you probably have combination skin. Now that you have a general idea of what skin type you have, we can move on to identifying what each type needs to be properly nourished, hydrated, and well treated. 1. Oily skin. Oily skin is characterized by an overproduction of sebum that clogs the skin's pores and causes them to dilate. Despite popular belief, oily skin does still need to be moisturized. However, you should only moisturize it with a light oil, as heavier ones can cause blackheads and blemishes. The oil should focus on nourishing and rebalancing your skin, while tightening your pores, thus preventing the future appearance of pimples, blackheads, and inflammation. Some of the best oils for oily skin include carrot oil and argan oil. With that said, I would like to recommend the BB Clear oil. It has powerful moisturizing properties, which make it effective in fighting excessive sebum production. It also calms the skin, reducing signs of skin redness, and can help combat acne. If you're looking for a product with carrot oil, I would recommend the Perfect Glow oil. It soothes the skin by reducing and minimizing redness, irritation, acne, and acne scars. This helps keep the skin calm, clear, and balanced. 2. Combination skin. Combination skin is recognized by the presence of both oily and dry areas on the face. Generally speaking, the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin has the characteristics of oily skin with dilated pores and a shiny appearance. In contrast, the skin located on the cheek area is dry. The ideal oils for combination skin should be gentle and non-greasy. Just like with oily skin, you should choose light oils that can easily penetrate your skin. Some of the best oils for combination skin include rosehip oil and argan oil. On that note, I would like to recommend the Elixir oil. Formulated with rosehip oil and argan oil, this product is an amazing moisturizer for the skin. It also easily absorbs excessive oil, effectively penetrating the skin to nourish and improve it. 3. Dry skin. Unlike oily and combination skin, which are generally thick, dry skin is thin. Dry skin tends to cause tightness, discomfort, and irritation. On this type of skin, wrinkles and fine lines appear more quickly and are more visible. To combat the lack of hydration and sebum and to restore suppleness, dry skin needs to be deeply rehydrated. For that reason, it's necessary that you rely on softening oils that have protective, nourishing, moisturizing, and regenerating properties. If you have dry skin, oils like coconut oil and argan oil can really help you out. For a product rich in coconut oil, I would recommend the Cocoa Clear Oil. With the hydrating benefits of coconut oil, this product is an ideal moisturizer as it retains water within the skin, nourishing it in and out. Thanks to its optimal hydrating properties, it increases the elasticity of the skin and reduces overall dryness. As you may have noticed, we mentioned argan oil repeatedly throughout this episode. That is because argan oil can be used on all skin types. Rich in antioxidant and fatty acids, argan oil protects the skin against environmental aggressors. Those with dry skin can benefit from its moisturizing properties, while those with oily skin may also find it tolerable, as it is lightweight and won't leave the skin feeling greasy. If you are looking for a product rich in argan oil, I would recommend the Cocoa Skin Oil. This product is not only an amazing skin moisturizer, but it also helps support and protect the skin to keep it youthful and preserve its elasticity. That's it for this week's episode. I hope that this video will help you better understand your skin type and that it will inspire you to add oil into your skincare routine. If you'd like to learn more about using cosmetics and beauty products and the steps necessary to maintain a radiant, hydrated skin, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care and I hope to see you soon. Bye.